Hey everyone. Well, I did it. I made the video wanting to announce the home tour collaboration on June 9th, and I thought I had everybody on the list and I forgot someone. So I am coming on now to rectify it. I am going to apologize to Life with London publicly. Sweetie, I am so sorry. So now I'm going to go through the list one more time. Who will be joining in is Arlen's Country Craft Corner, Sweet Daisy Creations, Jean E., Holiday Cookie Diva, Creative Lori, Life with London, Angie in Wonderland, RJ Mahler, Life on Lemon Lane, Living at Country, A Work in Progress, Crafting with the Heart, and Satina Country Cottage. I'll get it out. Oh, you guys, I knew it. I put it up and I looked at it again and I thought, doggone it, I forgot London. So with that being said, I will see you with all these wonderful YouTubers on June 9th. You have a great rest of the day. And remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget it. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.